Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making air fryer cheeseburgers. For this recipe, we are using 1 pound of 80 by 20 ground beef, meaning 80% meat, 20% fat. To the beef, add in 2 cloves of garlic, minced, followed by half a size medium onion, finely diced. 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Then mix it all in until all the ingredients have been evenly incorporated. To make the burgers, we're going to create 4 large meatballs, just like so. Then with the palm of your hands, flatten them out as thick or as thin as you like. Now set your air fryer to 375 degrees and preheat for 3 minutes. After your air fryer basket has been preheated, place the burgers in. Air fry them at 375 degrees for 8 minutes, 4 minutes per side. Meanwhile, let's make my secret burger sauce. In a small mixing bowl, add in 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of sweet relish, 1/8 of a teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 of a teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then mix it all in until evenly incorporated. Set the sauce aside until needed. And after the first 4 minutes, flip them over and continue air frying for another 4 minutes. And after the burgers have been fully cooked, I like to add a piece of American cheese and air fry that for 20 seconds. To get the bread toasted, place the wire rack that came with your air fryer into the basket. Then air fry the bread at 375 for 1 minute. Now let's put together the burger the proper way. Lettuce goes first on a toasted bun, followed by a few slices of thinly sliced onion. Place a cheeseburger on top, then top it off with a slice of tomato and pickles. Add the sauce to the top part of the bun, and now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, air fryer cheeseburgers. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!